Hello friends. So in this example what we are doing, we are trying to split list into chunks of equally sized partition, and we are going to use iterator tools, like modules, zip longest class. So here let's import from iterator tools, import zip longest method class, and then define a method chunk wherein we will pass list and the partition size in n, and return zip longest. uh, uh, this will pass this pointer to iterator, uh, list iterator, uh, repeated by n times the partition size, and fill value is equal to none. So this is my list and chunks. So let me define 5 here, and this is the call to function chunk, and it will return me the chunk, and then I am storing here and then iterating over it and printing the output, and the result is 0 1 2 because I provided this. So here we can see it's returning the list as a chunks of 3 elements, and since I am using iterator tool, that's why it is returning tuples instead of list. So that is the thing. And what this is doing, let me explain you a little bit. For example, if I store it here and print it like this and print L, so the output will be this, right? Iterator of this to this. And if I multiply the same with n, and here I am passing 3, so it will be replaced by n will be replaced by 3. So 3 times the same copy of iterator will be repeated in L. Here we can see, and both are essentially the same, right? And here we can see the pointer is to the same list object, right? Now, so this essentially is same as this. Let me show you. If I pass a list there, for example 1 2 3 4, right? So what this operator is doing, it's a repeat operator, so it is repeating this 3 times, and again we are returning the pointer to it, and then it is functioning like this, right? This is the same thing. If I do like this, it will group 2 elements into as a one single unit like this. So this is the way this argument is working. So in zip longest class, this first argument is pointer to iterable, let me go here. So here we can see it's accepting pointer to iterable any, so any number of iterables you can pass here. So what we are doing here, we are passing the same iterator of list, this list that is passed here in the function, and repeating their n copies, and returning the pointer to this iterator list to zip longest class initializer constructor, and that is then performing the grouping operation, right? So that is how it is working. So let me run it again, and here we can see group of 3, and if I say group of 5, then it will return this only one group. If I say group of 7, it will return this group, and none, right? Thank you. Subscribe my channel to get more updates on latest videos. Thank you.